Assalamualaikum, my name is Kalisha binti Jauhari and my matric number is A22A0148. Question number 1, company information. Name of the company, Chronicle Heaven Book. Address, Lot 40, Jalan Kubur Koklanas, 16450 Ketara, Kelantan. Owner, Muhammad Iwan Aidil bin Suhaimi. Date of established 1 February 2023. Type of business, partnership. Chronicle Heaven Book Payroll Report, week ending January 2023. Total employer 13, average gross pay 686 ringgit 50 cent. Highest earned general manager 736 ringgit, marketing manager 1144 ringgit, assistant operation manager 1248 ringgit. Top pay contribute, regular pay or overtime pay for assistant financial manager and assistant seller manager, commission for marketing manager.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iwan Aidil bin Suhaimi and my matric number is A22A0467. And today I would like to present about our interest amount and future value of our company. First, our company had a 15,000 ringgit of amount and the future value also the same. And next, for the loan from the relative for our company is stated is 10,000 with the interest rate of 2.5% and the time period is for 34 months. So, as the formula listed, the interest amount is 500 and the future value amount is 10,500 ringgit. And for the bank X, the amount stated is 15,000 ringgit and the interest rate is 3.3% with the time period of 7 years. By using the formula listed, the amount of the interest amount is 3,861 ringgit and for the future value is 18,861 ringgit. So the total for the amount is for own is exactly the same, which is the 40,000 ringgit, and for the interest amount 4,361 ringgit, and for the future value of our company is 44,361 ringgit after we sum up the total amount. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Fauzi and my matric number is A22A0319. Promissory note. Date 1 February 2022. 24 months after date, I promise to pay to the order of Muhammad Iwan Aidil bin Suhaimi, Ringgit Malaysia, 10,000 only for a value received with interest at the rate of 2.5% per annum until paid, and the mature date is 31 January 2024. In the promissory note is the maker of the note, Khairul Akmal, the payer of the note, Muhammad Iwan Aidil bin Suhaimi, and the maturity value of the note is 10,500.
Hi, my name is Amira Najwa binti Nawawi and my matric number is A22A0679. I will present question 3. Part A is identify the machinery and estimate the cost of each machinery. The price based on the table given. Next, I will talk about depreciation schedule. For the first is straight line method, second is declining balance method, and last is sum of years digit. Straight line method, I would like to talk about the formula. We are used 5 formula. For the first is total depreciation, second is annual depreciation, third is annual rate of depreciation, next book value, and last is accumulated depreciation.
My name is Khadijah Ashiki binti Muhammad Zulkifli, A22A0805. I would like to explain about declining balance method. There are 4 formulas that I use to calculate it. Firstly is total depreciation, and second is annual rate of depreciation, third one is depreciation of certain year, and the last one is accumulated depreciation up to n years. For the calculation, I start by finding rates, which is R equal to 1 minus average value per cost. So I replace it by R equal to 1 minus 4,500 over 450 square root by 5. And I get 0.3690. 0. Second step to calculate is by finding depreciation of certain year based on 1 year. So I use BVT equal to C in bracket 1 minus R square N. So 4,500 in bracket 1 minus 0.3690 that I get from the rates above, square root 5, which is 5 years of depreciation, and I get 450 ringgit and 15 cents. And lastly, I calculate accumulated depreciation of 1 year by using DA equal to C minus C in bracket 1 minus R square N. So I replace it and I get 4,049 ringgit and 85 cents. At the table above, there is amount that I get per year. Next is sum of year digits. So there are 3 formula that I use, which is total depreciation ED equal to C minus SB, and since S is an arithmetic proportion, S can be calculated with the formula which is S equal to N in bracket N plus 1 per 2, where S is equal to sum of year digits. And the third formula that I use is depreciation of certain year, that given is DD equal to R times DD, where RD equal to N minus D plus 1 per or over S, while DD is equal to C minus SB. For the calculation, I start by finding S, which is S equal to 5 in bracket 5 plus 1 over 2, and I get 50. Next step is finding depreciation of certain year DT, which is by find first TD equals C minus SB. So 4,500 minus 450 equal to 40,050 ringgit. And next I find the rates, which is RT equal to 5 minus 1 plus 1 over 15, where I get from the S above, and I get 0.3333. And lastly, I use DT equal to RT times DD. So 0.333 times 40,050 ringgit, and I get 1,350 ringgit. For the details, the table above state that I have calculated from year 0 until year 5 of depreciation.
Hi, my name is Hasli Zabida Hasri, matrix no A22A0164. Moreover, our company received an invoice for machineries cost date 12 February 2023 from supplier A with term 5/7, 2/15 and N/30. Therefore, the invoice is paid on 70 February 2023 or 5 days after the date of the invoice within the discount period. Our company was entitled to receive a 5% cash discount with the formula of net price equal of list price and times with trade discount. We will get a reduction of this price. Based on the table below, the cost of book scanner state for 5,000 times with 1 and minus with 0.05 for trade discount, and the final price will be 4,750 ringgit. Same goes to photostat machine with the final price 5,700 ringgit, bookshelf 13,775 ringgit, furniture and feature 11,140 ringgit, cash handling equipment 3,325 ringgit, barcode scanner 2,850 ringgit, security system 9,500 ringgit, and computers 4,275 ringgit. Next, the invoice is paid on 25th February 2023 or 13 days after the date of the invoice within the discount period. Our company was entitled to receive a 2% cash discount. Based on the table below, the cost of book scanner state for 5,000 times with 1 and minus with 0.02 for trade discount, and the final price will be 4,900 ringgit. Same goes to photostat machine with the final price 5,880 ringgit, bookshelf 14,210 ringgit, furniture and feature 11,760 ringgit, cash handling equipment 3,430 ringgit, barcode scanner 2,940 ringgit, security system 9,800 ringgit, and computers 4,410 ringgit.
Hi, I'm Nurul Izzah binti Muhammad and my matric number is A22A0834. I will explain about question 4. The first question is calculate the monthly payment. To get the monthly payment, I use the formula which is A is equal to P and I divide by 1 minus bracket 1 plus I to the root of negative n. So after calculating, the amount of monthly payment is RM1273.13. Next question is construct the amortization schedule. In our schedule, we have beginning balance, ending balance, monthly payment, total paid, principal paid, total principal paid, interest paid, and total interest paid. Okay, for the first period for beginning balance is 15000 and the second period is 13758.12, and for the ending balance for the first period is 13758.12 and the second period is 12525.49. The monthly payment for each period is 1273.13 and the total paid is the first period is 1273.13 and the second period is 2547.64 and the principal paid first period is 1241.88 and the second period is 1244.44. The total principal paid for the first period is 1230.07 and the second period is 2463.73 and the interest paid for the first period is 3125 and the second period to 8.69. The last for the total interest paid for first period is 43.75 and the second period is 83.91. That's all.